Welcome back, guys. This is Miss P, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Okay, today we're gonna share 3 ways of earning some extra cash, and these are simple ways. All right, first one up. Do you know you can sell your photographs? Yes, you can turn your photographs into cash. So you use your smartphone to capture great images, the sunsets or anything. Make sure they are high quality though. All right. And then you can upload them on magazine sites, stock image sites, canvas printing, SMUG, and also the Fine Art America, which will use your photos to print t-shirts, phone cases, and much more. Yes, guys, you can make some big bucks. So another great way to make some extra cash is by renting a spare bedroom. But before you do that, make sure you clean it up first and make it attractive, all right? And this is very important. Scrutinize your rental agreement before you get started. All right. So some of the sites you can list on is the AIRBNB, VRBO, Neighbor, or VACASA. Also, if you have extra parking space, you can rent that too. All right. The site is sharemyspace.com. I'm going to list all these sites.
Guys, you can also trade in your old phones, toys that you don't want, get old games, CDs, and multiple other devices that you don't really need.
So guys, if you watch this video to the end, would you please consider subscribing to this channel? Show me some love. Click that like button. Bye. See you in the next video.